Right, so today we've got an Audi A1 and I'm changing the steering angle sensor, or the squib, whatever you want to call it. The first thing I'm going to do is go to the computer and copy the code in off the old one, ready to put it onto the new one. Just about to do that now. What we want to do now is remove the center airbag with the horn. Okay, so look at a little pick or something in there. See this metal bar, what we're going to do is pry it up. And the airbag released, so release the one side, see now it's moving, and I'll turn the steering, release the other side, and there we go. Okay, so now you clip them off, you can unplug it. Okay, make sure you disconnect the battery, like so. Okay, so the airbag, as you pull that white tab forward, and then you push down on it and pull the plug off. That's what releases the airbag. Okay, so now we will remove the steering wheel by undoing this M bolt here. Okay, so it's an M12. To do it, undo them with socket on there, ratchet on. My ratchet's broken. And just like that. Okay, next you want to do, there's a T20 holding the cover on. Lift that up there, and there's two more T20s, one there, one there. What I'm going to do is get the bottom cover off. Yeah, T15s holding there. Okay, yeah, so it's three T15s which are there. Which one is there? One at there and one at the bottom. Okay, so there's one plug there, one plug there, one plug on the side, and there's one plug on the top that I've missed. So you just pull the tab. I'm trying to do it with one hand forward, then you not gonna be able to do it one-handed, just like that. Okay, and then the steering angle, it doesn't worry about this turning now as you replace it for a new one. Should come off like so. That's the old one. Time for the new one. Right, got the new one. VW. Okay, so don't pull that red tab off until you have installed it and you're ready to put the steering wheel back on. Okay. Okay. Let's sit in on that. And then all we do is reverse the process. Okay, so we've got the 3 bolts in, the plug's back all on, and the cover's back on. Okay, next thing you do, okay, you can remove this red thing ready for the steering wheel to go back on. Basically it just stops it spinning, so you know where the center is. Okay, so the camera. So steering wheel on. There's a little notch out on the steering wheel, just there and on there. Okay, what we're gonna do is just line them two back up with each other. So you've got the steering wheel in the centre. So once you've got the airbag plugged in, all you do to get them back in is you just push them just like that, and it's all back together. Okay, so I'll just reconnect the battery and then I'll code in the new steering angle sensor, and then hopefully all the lights should be out. Okay, moment of truth, check all the lights are out. Yeah, perfect. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.